Shynrai Lakadong lani Shynrai ubla thung bat penmi na Lakadong. Ulung Shynrai uba bhatam tang hari India. Lani uba paunang tam tang hari India rewat haga partai hi borokawai. Kajing rap ya Shynrai Lakadong ba kajing penmi ya u. Kalau ra ya kanam ya keburam ya kejala hi borokawai. Nang ba jong kande ba kajing rap ya Shynrai hakan ni ka jaka ka bahapa West Gentle District ba dengkat kajing IT lang jong kata kerap kereng lani ka agriculture kanang penbah susu ya kamrap ya Shynrai Lakadong hakabak ladon kajing penmi lemba kajing Pyndonkam ki kor ki bor ba kumjuru kor kam penmi ba kor kam song kor kam pakeng ya uru kanang janai ka banang ya ki por dilimba kan ikan nam ba kajing mi ba kajing penbah jong ni Shynrai kiladon ki brio ki bale tu hakabak kila thung yo ni Shynrai ha kerteng jong Shynrai Lakadong sekipat ki benta jong kari India ba dilimba jong kan ni kabla penhiar ka dor ba kanam jong Shynrai nambar Shynrai ubathung sekipat ki benta jong kari India Maham satya katkum ka jingbha ne ka jingbha jong Shynrai ubapenmi na Lakadong nambar kani ka cek penmi tu yo Shynrai Lakadong sekipat ki benta jong kari India kalawan ra ya ka jinghiar ka yo kahat ba ka dor jong ni Shynrai bat ngani kala katapat ya ka jing penmi Shynrai na Lakadong bat kala kataru ya ka jing penmi yo ni Shynrai na kani ka benta jong ka jala Meghalaya Shynrai Lakadong ulayo ru ya ke GI tax lani ke GI certificate lani ke taga geographical indications lani ka bamut ba Shynrai Lakadong lani Shynrai ubami aka keteng Lakadong la banda baik tang Lakadong sugi pat ki benta jong kari India ya kan ka certificate layo nakatat agriculture da ka Sorkar pedeng kan ka jingyo ya kan ka certificate ka pensisha ba amla bantu ya ka kerteng tenrai lani ya ka jinglong try jong Shynrai Lakadong Tema da kadaw mo nakaliang jong ka Sorkar Meghalaya lemba katan agriculture lemba commercial secretary kala penmi ya ka notification na kabala Maham ya kibrio ban Pyndonkam ya ka kerteng jong Shynrai Lakadong Bakla donu lemba ki an ki brathau ka Sorkar India ba omlan manwono ki bala ban Pyndonkam ya ka kerteng jong Shynrai Lakadong nara kirap sekiwi pat ke jaka laino tan ke jaka kabala bu aka GI tax nani ka GI certificate Lengba ki kendon ki belabu katkum gini kaan nakaliang jaka Sorkar Meghalaya ka khang persya yani no ban Pyndonkam ne ban rap yo ni Shynrai Lakadong hagipat ki benta jong kari India lande ban Pyndonkam ya ka kerteng jong Shynrai Lakadong khnang baka jinglong tenrai jong Shynrai Lakadong kan ne kan sa kan ne ka jinglong tenrai jong Shynrai Lakadong kala mi ru ahin da ba tho a jong ka jala Meghalaya hagadar ban mang tangka mata kasnem hakaba u MLA jong kan nongkrem uba adan mila ba samoj lowara chaka jingtip jong yang da ba tho an Bakla don kejeng Pyndonkam Bakla leni kejeng Pyndonkam bean ya keteng jong Shynrai Lakadong bandrap ada ban penmi sekipat ki benta jong kari India kabla kata sibun ya kejeng penmi ya Shynrai Lakadong banda kaliang jong ba adan ula kentu ya ka Sorkar jala ban pe ya kani kenang ba Shynrai Lakadong unne unsa ka keteng ban amtang ka keteng hendai kan sa kejeng long tenrai jong u
49A sir it was on 19th of January this year that I attended the program of the village organization for the SHG Meet Come Exhibition program at the Safai village. It was there that I met many villagers and had a conversation with them where they requested me to take up the matter with the government in connection with the decline on the sale of Lakadong turmeric, which has really surprised me. Sir, they told me that the reason is because other people from other states have planted Lakadong turmeric by taking the rhizomes from here and sell the produce by using the name of Lakadong turmeric. So this has diluted the quality of Lakadong, of original Lakadong turmeric, and since their soils cannot yield the same quality of turmeric, because soil is one of the most important factor that largely contributed to the quality of Lakadong turmeric. It has also created a confusion among the consumers to differentiate between the original Lakadong turmeric with this counterfeit Lakadong turmeric uses the name of Lakadong turmeric. So, sir, through you, I would strongly urge the minister in charge to take up this matter seriously and to do whatever way possible to protect the right of the original Lakadong turmeric growers. And in case this turmeric has not been patented, the government may perhaps facilitate the same so that no other than the original Lakadong growers can use the name of Lakadong turmeric. It is